that you should count your blessing in every single lesson you've learned.
Okay, y'all, for some reason, my African print fabric ended up being shorter than my satin piece. So for the satin, I did a total of 3 folds. And for the African print fabric, I did a total of 2. I'm not sure why my African print fabric wasn't long enough. I got 1 yard of each, which I will show you guys in a further part of this video. Right here is where I show you that I had 1 yard of each. As you cut, you want to make sure that you're cutting both fabrics at the same time. With the satin fabric, you'll end up with 2 circles, and with the African print fabric, you'll only end up with 1. However, to make the bunny, you only need 1 of each. So for the extra satin piece, you can use that for another bunny. sew this first time, you want to sew along the edge. However, you do want to leave a gap as I'm showing right here in the video. And when you begin sewing, always make sure that you backstitch. In this video, you'll see that I forgot to backstitch initially, so I went back when I was done sewing the first time and I backstitched a second time. Here's the gap I was telling you to leave. Yours may be slightly larger than this, but it's fine, long as you're able to pull the fabric inside out when we get to that part. You could use a flat iron or iron. I know my last video I did use a flat iron, but I found that in this video it's more easier to use a home iron. Right here you can sew as wide or as narrow as you want. As you see, the cord elastic is not that large, so whatever you decide to do as your width is your choice. And once again, remember to backstitch. Right here, I did knot the ends first. However, I would suggest that you put the cord stopper down first and then proceed to knot each end.